Okay, so expanding the brackets. So this is multiplication and with addition here. So first, so 8 times 4. So we have 32. Okay, plus 8 okay, times x. We have 8x. Okay, plus okay, we have 49. Okay, plus we have 7x. Okay, next one. So we have, let's regroup. Okay, so we have 32 plus 49 plus 8x plus 7x. Okay, so we have 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay, carry 1. We have 7. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, 8. So 81 plus 8 plus 7 is 15. So we have 15x. Or you can write as 15x plus 81. Okay, so this is the proper way of writing the correct answers. So with the variable first before the constant. Okay. A number, when we say constant, in algebra, those are the numbers without variables or without letters. Okay, that is always the last one. So if you can understand this lesson, you can answer. You can also answer your book. Okay, but let me give you some examples first. Then later on, I will ask you what page are you going to answer. Can I move on now to the next question? Okay. Silence means yes. Okay. Silence means yes. Okay. Okay. Next one. Sumita, can you help me answering this, please? Hey, 7 times 4 is? 7 times 4? No, it's not 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. 7 times 4? Oh, okay. Take your time. How many? Okay, thank you. 28. Then 7 times 3? 21x. Okay. Thank you. Pemika. Okay, negative 3 times 8. Okay, minus 24 or negative 24. Then negative 3 times 2x. Okay, negative 6x. Thank you. So let us regroup. Okay, so we have 21x minus 6x. So plus 28 minus 24. Piraya. Okay, please tell me the answer. 21x. How many? Okay, 15x. Then plus 4. Thank you. Okay, so that is our answer for this question. Can I move on now? Okay. Do I have next question? No. Oops. Okay, next one. Am I correct pronouncing your name Isari? Correct? Am I correct pronouncing your name Isari? Okay. Okay. Okay, so help me. Can you help me please? 3 times 9 is? Again. 3 times 9. 27. Okay. Then 3 times 2 is? Okay, okay. 6x. Thank you. Next one. Pirada. Help me out. Okay, negative 2 times 8. 16. Okay. Negative 2x. Thank you. So let us have 6x minus 2x. Then plus 27 minus 16. Yatika. Okay, what is the answer? Oh, it's okay. No, no, no. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 2. 4x. Okay. Plus 11. Okay, thank you. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Another one. Okay, warapit siya. Okay. Power off. Okay, thank you. Next one. Ploy na pan. Minus. Okay. Okay, minus 20. Thank you so much. Okay, so let us regroup. So 9x power of 3 minus 32 x power of 2. Oh, okay. So we cannot add something here. And then, what's next? Plus 27 minus 20. Can you tell me the final answer, Chanikan? Okay, again, we cannot subtract this because this is power of 3, this is power of 2. So what are we going to do? Okay, 9 power of 3. Then, okay, minus. Okay, it's minus, okay. Minus 32 x power of 2. And then what's the final one? Okay, plus 7. Thank you. Okay, so one more thing. In writing the polynomial, we called it polynomial because 3 terms. Okay, we called it polynomial. Nomial. Okay, polynomial. This one with three terms. Okay, three terms. 1, 2, 3. In writing this polynomial, make sure that you start with the highest degree or the highest exponent. Okay, this one 3 before you write power of 2. It should be in order, highest to lowest. Okay, remember that. That's the proper way of writing a polynomial. Okay, look at the exponent. Start with the highest. All right. Okay, moving on. Oh, there's another one. Okay, so that I can call all of you. Pinyapat. Yes, okay. So please help me. 6 times 7. Okay, 42x plus. Okay. It's okay. How many? Remember, we have 1 here. 5. Yes, correct. 5. Law number 2, right? Laws of exponent, number 2. We add the exponent when we multiply. Okay? Next. Ganchapon. Yeah, okay. How many? Okay, and then... Oh, no, not plus, sorry. Minus x. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let us rewrite or regroup. Start with the highest exponent. So we have 18x power of 5 minus 32x power of 5. What's next? Plus 42x minus 20x. Okay? Okay, please wait. Who is this? Arada, tell me the final answer, please. Okay. Negative or positive? Okay. Negative 40. Okay. All right. Then, what's next? Plus or minus? Plus. Okay. 22 what? Okay. Thank you. Thank you also.